Sorkar Pdeng ba Sorkar Meghalaya kila Peitngor bhai ke jinglong jingman ha ka Khappud hadin ke jingi ke jingwan her ka drone ke Shipai Bangladesh ka Bangladeshi Bayraktar TB2 unmanned aerial vehicle UAV ha ka Khappud ka than Sohra-Shella ha East Khasi Hills. Yakani le thot usumbut menteri rangba ke Jylla ba kemi ke tanat home police uba prestun tensong ubele tho ba yakani ka drone le I marjan ba ka Sohra-Shella kumba arspa meter ka phangcha the jong zero line. Ka Meghalaya ka dan ya upur usaha masau spa asau kulai kilometer bakari Bangladesh. Habai keren beginang to kubor ba presiden tensong ulong ba Sorkar Jylla kla Peitngor bat pentip ba ke ega belajar sya Sorkar Pdeng halor kene kakam. Bat ka Sorkar India ru kala sim kya bahai kani. Ulong syu ba Sorkar Jylla kila le yala ka jong kakam ram. Syu ulo kedau ba Sorkar Meghalaya ba Sorkar Pdeng kla Peitngor bahai kene kakam. Baru ulong ba omdai ban kuslai. Ulong syu bagi ik barok ken biang lut bat ula benrap kene ka kamram jo Sorkar Pdeng bakane kerane kene kam bat ke Sorkar Bangladesh. Uba presiden tunsong ula pentip ula betha chief secretary bat ka director general ki pulit ka Meghalaya bakin sim ki senjam badan kam halor kene kamat. Habakentat banethu kam bania kene kam ulong bagi dan kimat kiba kwa ban batai. Kumta ulong ba kani ka kam ga bahab ban husiar bha kumta umla ban thu lo diki ke ulong syu ba ke ka ba ula ban ong galong ba ka kamram jo Sorkar Jylla kalong ban pinti kena ba kum kini jingja kim de syu ban jabiang galor kani usembut menteri rang ba ulong ba ka Sorkar kalalum ya ke jingilang bisar kam halor kani kamat.
But we have already kept it informed with the government of India, and government of India is also taking serious note on this. Same way like the state government, we are doing our job. I have already instructed our DG and Chief Secretary to take necessary steps, be it a meeting or be it in writing or whatever. See, there are issues which I don't want to be narrative. So please understand, the issue is so sensitive. So I cannot share everything with all of you. So what I've said is, from the state government, our responsibility is to make sure that this kind of things does not happen anymore. And point number 2 is, it is also equally the duty of the central government to take it up with the government of Bangladesh. That is on regular basis. The review meeting is always held, but we don't want to just, to share with all of you about the review meeting as far as law order is concerned. So we need to also keep it in the secret, where we don't want to narrate so much on this. The action will be taken accordingly. As I said to you, jointly, state government and the central government, we are sitting very, very closely. So as I said to you, please don't worry. I think everything will be fine.